Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, inshallah, we are going to explain the symbols inside Adobe Illustrator. Also, we are going to explain the patterns and the brushes, how to create new patterns and new brushes. First of all, I'm going to create something look like a logo. I'm going to gradient option. Right here. I'm adding a text. One letter. Changing the size for 300. Inside effects, I'm going to use the tweak. Create this pattern in this shape. And then I'm adding stroke this letter. I'm going to select both of them. Now I'm going to convert them as a symbol. We use symbols inside Adobe Illustrator for many purposes. For example, if we have a logo and we are going to use it for many times, we can save it in the library as a symbol, and we can open any scene and drag it inside it from the library. And this could happen not only with logo. If we have some shape that we are going to duplicate many times inside an artwork, we can save it and then use it. For example, if we are planning to create a leaves for a tree, we can use the symbols. Here inside the window, I need to open the symbol window. I need to select the layers I want to convert them to symbol. Then the only thing I need to do, drag them inside the symbol window. Here I need to name it. Move a clip, usually we use it in animate. For now, I'm going to use the graphic. I have static and dynamic. Static keeps the symbol connected to the symbol saved inside the symbols, inside the symbols library. Dynamic means we need to drag it from here inside to the artwork. We will be able to update, adjust it without affecting the reference or the original. I'm going to start with the static. I'm hitting OK. Now I have this symbol. If I click on this shape, you can see I can edit the symbol. I can break the link. If I didn't break the link, anything I did, anything I want to do, it will give me this message. You are about to edit the symbol definition. Any edit to the symbol will be applied to all its instance. If this is mean if I have many copies, then the edit will be applied to all of them. Before I edit, I'm going to option and then save symbol. I'm going to copy this path. I will name it as an A, for example, and then I'm hitting on save. I'm going to break the link between this symbol and the symbol library so I can fix it in any way I want because I'm planning to create a dynamic one. For example, if I have this, I can click and drag it. A slash A dash D for dynamic. Now I'm going to select the dynamic. I'm also going to option, save. Here I will name it A slash D and save. I open a new file. A new artwork. You can see now I don't have the symbols I saved inside the library. I can open them here. Open library. I can go to others. And then here I need to specify the path I saved the symbol inside it. Here I have A, the static one, and then I'm going to open again. I'm pasting the path for my files and double click. I'm clicking double on the second one, the dynamic. You can see here we have a plus. This means that this symbol is dynamic and the other is static. Now, if I drag the dynamic, you can see it. If I want to update it, it will give me a message. For example, if I have many copy, if I update, make an update for this one. I'm hitting OK. I select this one, and if I change the color, I click outside. If I click outside, the change will be happen to all of the logos or of the symbols I imported. Now you can see I made the change here, but the change will not appear. I drag it again. Here, for example, I change the number, the color for this one. This will stay the same. And this is the difference between them. Dynamic we can change without affecting the whole other instance or copies we have. For the this for the static, for the dynamic, if we change the color, for example, made an adjustment for one, the other will not be affected, and this is the difference between them. This is about the creating a symbol. How about importing a symbol from the library available inside Illustrator? We can go to option to open library. We can select any one of those. For example, the flower. This is saved inside the Illustrator library. We can select any one of these. For example, this one. and I will break the link. Breaking the link means that will become an illustrated layer that it's not connected to the symbol. If I change the color or made anything, the symbol here will not be affected. I'm going to use this to convert it as a flutter here inside the object, as a button. Here inside the object, I have something called button. I will click on make. For the button, we can specify any illustration to be as a texture to any shape we create. Here, I'm going to name it as an F, hit an enter, and then I'm going to hit on exit. Now, if I create this shape, for example, here inside the color, I will find the pattern I created, and this shape will contain the pattern I created. This is about how to create a patterns. Here inside object, as I said, inside pattern, can go to edit pattern. Here we can save as a copy to the library to use it in other files. And this is how we can create a pattern. I want to create a new brush. I can go back inside the simple library, can select the flower, for example, this one. And then I will open the brushes. I will drag it here inside. I'm going to select a pattern brush, and then I'm hitting OK. Stretch to fit, yeah, okay. And then I will hit OK. Now, if I created any shape I want, I make the stroke black and the fill empty. While I'm selecting this shape, I'm going to click on this brush. Now the brush will appear like it's a stroke for this shape. That's it about the pattern, the symbols, the brushes. Thanks for watching.